There is one thing that I see that is so prevalent that so many people are doing in business and with their life goals that honestly will set you on the path to failure. It looks like success. Again, it's so counterintuitive, but it really will end you up in the wrong place. So I'm going to tell you what it is, and you can start fixing it today. If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm Rachel Stravelli. I nurture you, your life, your full expression of who you are, your creative expression of your unique self. And what I want you to think about is, are you listening to other people? Or are you listening to the voice within? Because that voice within is yours. It will not steer you wrong. But other people don't have your life, they don't have your experience. And if you build your life based on all of the things that they want you to be and that they are encouraging you to do and to buy and to marry this person and try this business tactic and do this with your personal goals, and everybody does intense fitness interval training, so you should do it too. If you follow everyone outside, you're always just going to be following the paths that have already been laid. And it's okay to listen to some people, to have areas of your life that you think, I'm not going to decide all of it just by myself. I'm going to learn from others. I'm going to learn from wisdom. I'm going to learn from nature. That's awesome. And you're listening to me right now. So apparently you listen to some people. But what I find difficult and potentially devastating for people is if you spend so much time looking outside of you for the answers and trusting everyone else as if they know better in business and in your life than you know. Because that's false. It's very easy to believe, and people who sell you things and people who write books, they're not trying to do it from a place of manipulation, or at least some of them aren't. Some of them probably are. They're offering it to you, and there's a good chance that that could be helpful to you, that book, that program, that app, that car, that whatever, new appliance. But you need to have the ability to make that decision for yourself, to reflect upon it, to listen to your inner wisdom, to decide, am I doing what everyone else says that I should? Am I on such and such a platform because everybody says that's the way you do it? Or are you willing, am I willing, are we willing to pause, to take the time to listen, to ask the questions like, is this what I want for my life? And does this align with my values? Does it align with my lifestyle? Do I want to build this in this way? Because if it's everything in you saying no, then that might not be for you. And the visions of success that other people share about, or that your neighbors or your peers might talk about, might not be for you either. But if you don't stop listening to those voices for a period of time and start listening to your inner voice, to your wisdom, to your answers, you're not going to know the difference. And most people are just going to go with the loudest voice, or the last voice, or the most convenient voice, the one that causes the least pain. However, if you take time to take a break from some of that information, pause listening to other people, pause being on all the platforms and listening to news and getting people's advice, and take the moment, take a deep breath, take the moment to be quiet, to take a break, to be within, and ask yourself, what does my soul, what does my inner self tell me about this? What are my answers about this? Because ultimately, any big decision, you're going to have to answer for it, not the person who told you to do the thing. You are. And if you're creating your life, which I would love for you to do, create your mindful, joyful, expressive life, then you're going to have to be the one to make those decisions. And sometimes those decisions are going to feel wrong, quote unquote, or you're going to think, I made a bad choice here. But if it was your choice, awesome. Own it. You made a choice. You learned from it. It was experience. Cool. That was amazing. Because here's the thing. You're going to make some mistakes or failures or whatever you want to call them if you're following your own intuition and inner wisdom and all that. You're going to make a heck of a lot more if you listen to everyone outside in the world about it. So which would you rather do? Would you rather build a life that relies on the greatest thing that you can trust? And if you're religious, I just want to add on, I fully believe that this is the higher power. This is spirit, creator speaking through me. Yes, creator spirit can speak through biblical text, can speak through other people, but the most unfiltered that I get it is when I sit, usually in nature, but sometimes it's in my house. I sit and I listen. I deeply listen and I hear what wants to come out, what is being said, and I don't judge it. I discount it. I just listen and see what it is, see where that leads me. I'm curious. Comment below. Have you ever listened to your inner voice? Do you ever listen to your inner voice? Have you had times where it was really easy to fall into the trap of listening to what other people say that you should do? I think especially in moments where we feel like we don't have a lot of information, it's easy to think, well, I'll just go with so-and-so. They must know better than me. I still want to encourage you to always check back in with that voice within, that wisdom within. So comment below your experiences. Give this video a like, send it to a loved one, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you'll always stay connected. And I always have down below a link if you want to sign up for my email list. You get amazing freebies. I send you loving, motivational, inspirational emails. And it's a great way if you want to talk to me one-on-one, talk, via email. I'm in my email more than any other place, more than any social platform. So that's the easiest way to connect to me. So if you sign up for the email list below, download 7 ways to lift your spirits that'll get us connected, and I can pour all of the love and support that I have into you, into your email box every week. Have a great day. Bye.